Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. Today I will be showing you how to install a 5x5 closure. As you can see, I've already braided my hair down, I already added my stocking cap, and also I've already started putting my edges back. I've cleared my face completely, and then I'm going to use the blow dry to blow dry the hair and making sure my edges are protected. So you know your girl was on a budget. So I got to the hair salon. I was like, hey, I need the lace glue. And the guy was like, hey, this is a good brand. I was like, let's go. But definitely don't remember the name of this. I will link it down below. I don't have an actual link for it. I don't even know if the company has a link, but I would definitely provide you guys the name of this glue. It's pretty good. I've used it. This is my second time using it. So it works. It do what it do. So I put in around like 3 layers of glue, and also because I didn't measure the size of my forehead with the lace. So the thing is, what I did is kind of put the lace but seen from end to end if I needed some more glue. So I added some more glue on the ends to make sure that it fits. The lace is on, y'all. The lace is on. So now I'm just making sure that I flatten it going back, and I add also a band just to help it stay in place while I flatten my hair completely. And I'll be back to explain a little bit more of my little baby hair technique, because you know I'm not the best at baby hairs, but we got something together today. As you can see, I was about to curl it, then I changed my mind because it was going to take me forever. Right here, I was trying to see what part I was going to go for. I wanted a part to the side because I don't do the part to the side as often. The part down the middle I feel like makes my head look bald, but I just ended up going for a part in the middle because yeah, it looked better. So right here, you can't really see it, but I was plucking a little bit of the hair out. I did pluck this hair because I had this hair for a very long time and I never plucked it. It was always so full, but I did pluck the hair out in the front. So I was just doing a little bit more. Right here, I'm getting ready for my little baby hairs where I'm color correcting just to make sure it matches my skin tone. So we did like the middle, but like the front, and then the middle added I think that's LA Girls concealer. We just added a little bit in the front and also down the middle. And then of course, if you don't have one of these, you need to get them. Everybody should have one of those because your mama used to burn your hair with those hot combs. So, but it really does help flatten out everything. And then on the sides, I ended up adding a little bit of glue because I was missing a little bit from the sides. So, yep. So right now, how I have it, I'm going to add some mousse to it. So the mousse helps lays it flat, and of course, definitely with the lace, it helps it look more natural. And I continue to flat iron my hair. I'm going to leave it there for a little bit. What I'm using is a stick. It's a wax stick that I got from the hair store that helps flatten down the hair completely, because this wig is going to be flat. And then of course I'm using some heat, drying out the mousse. Look at your girl working on some baby hair magic. Look at that. Who am I? You see this? Cutting out a little baby hair, doing a little swoop. So guys, as you can see, I'm almost done with this look. I'm just continuously to use the hot comb to continue to flatten it down and fixing the edges a little bit, making sure everything looks nice. I can definitely do better on the baby hairs, but you know, I told you already, disclaimer, your girl is not good with baby hairs. It comes with it. It's gonna take a lot of practice for me to get somewhere with these baby hairs, but this one came out nice. I was proud of myself. But that is it. Thank you so much, you guys, for watching, and I will have more videos. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and tell me what type of videos would you like to see.